What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? It's your girl, and I'm gonna do right now a quick makeup eye tutorial using Jeffree Star's new Morphe X palette. It's kind of funny to me, honestly. But before we get into this, please, if you be so kind to hit that subscription button, give it a click, ring a ding, ding, ding the bell, turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I have a giveaway coming up very, very, very soon. And if you like me and love me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Now, I'm trying to film while I'm in the bathroom, so hopefully this is going to be close enough. But anyways, what I was saying is it's kind of funny that all of a sudden now people are tripping about Jeffree Star's Morphe X palette when they weren't saying nothing when it first came out. So to me, I feel like that's some type of a ploy, because Jeffree Star and Shane exposed Too Faced. So let's do a quick eye tutorial and I can let you know how I feel about this Jeffree Morphe palette. I've had this for about a month now, and I've been waiting to do a tutorial, and I think now is better than ever. So here it is. It is $34, and I got mine 15% off, and yeah, that's me down there. And here's the palette, and I love it. I love that Jeffree Star made it so affordable, and I'm so happy to have it. So let's try to do a look with it, if I can open it again. All right, so we're gonna take this light pink color right here. It's called It's kind of like a skin color, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply that as the transition color into the crease. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a little bit of a dust when I go ahead and click on an eyeshadow, but what eyeshadow isn't? I don't see that it's not blendable. It applied beautifully, very easy. Also, I'm using the Glamour Dolls blending brush to do it. All right, so let's make that a little bit deeper. So we want to kind of stay around the pinky area. So let's take black right here. I'm sorry, back. Black. Let's take back. Yeah, did you guys see that? That was a lot of like dust. I call it dust because I don't call it really fallout, because I mean it's not coming off my eyes. Oh, I like that. And again, these apply beautifully. So for people to be, I'm going ahead and I'm spilling the tea for my boo. Jeffree Star, do not worry, I got your back. Okay. Okay, now that's applied. Looks very natural. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take, just for the heck of it, we're going to take Honest Truth right here. Haha, that's funny because that's what people need to start being. Honest and true. And we're just going to go ahead, Too Faced. And we're going to apply that. Honestly, I feel like Too Faced is very expensive. I do not like Too Faced, honestly. I don't even like their lipsticks. Whether it be affordable or not, I think they're super duper drying. So there's nothing I really like of Too Faced, honestly, if I would have to say. Okay, that came out really pretty. All right, so now let's go ahead and make this a little bit deeper, and let's go in with this pink fleet right here, which is like this kind of fuchsia kind of color, pink fleet. And let's just tap that into the outer corner. So, and then blend in. And again, these colors are blending beautifully, effortlessly, very simple to apply. That was my fault that I went up too high right there. So happy to be standing on my foot. If you guys watched my other video, you guys know that I actually sprained my ankle the other day, and I've not walked on my ankle in 2 days. Okay, again, we're going to do that where we're going to add it to the edge of the corner and then blend up. This is how I meant to do it on the other side. And it didn't work that good. Do you guys have the same thing I have, the same problem? How one eye is always going to be better than the other? I hate that. All right, let's just deepen this just a little bit more. I'll make sure I get all in the crease. Make sure that's all blended in, blended out, blend, 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 blend. Okay. I think it blended very nicely. All right. Now we're going to take Don't Know Her. Can't relate. You don't know her. And we're going to go ahead and deepen up that crease. I just love a good pink. All right. That came out really, really good. I like that. All right. Now, the tricky part. All right. So I know that I want to put silver on the lid. I really do. But I want to see how this swatches. So here's that right there. And I want to use that, honestly, as like my eyebrow color. I think I don't want to use that on the lid. But I want to go ahead and kind of make it smoky. You guys know I love my smokiness. What are we going to do? Let's see how it looks first. Okay, let's take a flat blending brush. Here we go, one right here. All right, take this one right here, and we're going to wet it. You guys can use a Fix Plus. You guys can, or just water. That's what I use. And we're going to take this brightest pink right here, which is called Self-Made. And we're going to see how that applies on the outer corner. Definitely can tell that that is deeper and darker than the rest of it. I like it. I do like that. Oh yeah, I like that. You don't want to go too far in because again, you're going to want to apply your main color to your lid. I'm so professional. Let's go ahead and do it on this side. Just like tap the color on the outer corner and then make sure you blend it up. And you want it to be even with the other side because if it's not even, it's going to look disastery. Yeah, that looks about even. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of this pink, same pink here, and I want to bring it to the bottom of my eyelid. Okay, my bad, guys. I lost you there for a minute. So what I say? Go ahead and blend that out. So that's on the bottom of our lids. I like it. All right. Now what do I want to do? I want to blend all those colors together. Let's take a clean blending brush. Oops. It's clean. My Juno & Co. brush and just blend it up. Because we want the hot pink on the outer corner to shine more than the pink in the crease. I like it. I think it looks really good. Oh yeah, it looks really, really good. All right. Now we're going to take, where is my, oh, here it is. We're going to take a Luxie 243 Precision Priming, and we're going to just wet this just a little bit because this is how we're going to do our inner corner and our eyebrow bone. We're going to go into this 2 color and apply that into the inner corner. Not as pigmented as I really would have hoped, but let's see how it applies on the brows. I've worked with better colors, honestly. I don't know why this is not applying that good, but I mean, it did bring some highlight to the brow bone, but not as much as I would have hoped. Oh my God. Still got a little bit of that mask there. All right. I think this turned out really pretty. Let's go back in real quick, but with a different brush to see if we can make that highlight pop. Let's go in with this brush. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, I like that. All right. Ooh, don't want to do that. All right, and now for the topper, we want to go ahead and put this silver all over the lid. But I have nails, so it's going to be a little bit harder. So let's try to use a brush, kind of like a flat brush, and see how much pigment it picks up. A lot of pigment picks up. Wow, without me wetting it. And I'm just going to place that all in the lid, all over the lid. It's not as shiny as I would have hoped. Let's wet the brush a little. And now pick up the pigment. Okay. Now that is shiny. Oh wow. We lost some of the pink along the way. So we're going to have to go back in and... Alright guys, I do apologize. My camera keeps cutting off on you guys. So we're going to try to go ahead and finish this up. So we're going to go back into that hot pink color right here, the self-made. And we're just going to darken back up that corner because the silver kind of blended it in and took away from it. Let's just put that back up there. A couple of flicks. Make sure it's blended all together with the silver. And to your crease as well. Okay. Oh yeah, I like it. I think it came out really good. But the silver is a little bit out of place above me. So let's go in with another clean blending brush and let's blend that together. Yeah, because I just don't want it chunky sitting on top of the lid. Okay. I think it came out really good. I like it. Now all you need to do is just throw some mascara on and you are ready to rock and roll. I hate the fact that one eye always looks better than the other. I don't understand it. I wish I knew why, but it does. Story of my life. I'm really loving my left eye versus my right eye, and I don't understand why. Okay. I don't know. Maybe my silver got lost a little bit along the way. Where's my silver? Boy, that came off quick. These are very pigmented, by the way. So people can stop lying on our boo, Jeffree Star, because these eyeshadows are bomb. They are bomb. Alright, let me bring you into some light so you guys can see the final. Oh, wait. Slap some mascara on here. And I'm using the Thrive. I hate how my lashes go down. Others go up and are so fluffy. And mine just go down. Okay. I am just a little bit with the whole eyebrow. I like my eyebrow to really pop. So I'm gonna go in real quick with my Mirror Luminizer by The Balm Cosmetics, like I always do, and I'm just gonna highlight my own. There we go. And throw a smoking red lip on there and you're done, baby. Oof, I love that silver. It's beautiful. Yeah, guys, I really like this eye better than I like this eye. I'm gonna have to fix it, honestly. But other than that, I think it came out really good. And yeah, I have no complaints with Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palette. So, thank you for watching this tutorial. I want to see you guys try it. Definitely send it in my Instagram DMs. I would love to see it. And as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed, I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.